10 theory questions on vehicle safety. So in this video, we're going to go through 10 theory questions on vehicle safety. Let's start the lesson. So question number 1, why are tires important? So the question is, why are tires important? Do you know? The answer is they provide grip and safe braking. Okay, they provide grip and safe braking. Unless you have good tires, you're not going to have the grips on your stopping. So unless you have good tires, you are risking because it reduces the stopping distance and control. Question number 2, what is the minimum tire tread depth? What is the minimum tire tread depth? Do you know? The answer is 1.6 millimeter. Okay, 1.6 millimeter. So for you to make sure the tires are in good condition, you must make sure it has the minimum tread depth, okay, which is 1.6 millimeter. Question number 3, why should mirrors be adjusted? Why should mirrors be adjusted? Do you know? The answer is to see traffic behind without moving head much, meaning that if you adjust it in a way so that you don't have to move your head to see what's around. If you don't adjust the mirror properly, then you'll have to move your head to see what's happening. So adjust in a way so that you could just turn slightly and you could see what's happening in the mirror. Okay, that's what it means. Question number 4, what should you do if brakes feel weak? What should you do if brakes feel weak? Do you know? The answer is stop safely and get them checked. Stop safely and get them checked. Meaning that if you're braking and if you feel weak, the brakes are not normal, you feel there's something wrong and you feel it's weak, stop safely and get them checked. Question number 5, why should seat belts be worn? So the question is, why should seat belts be worn? Do you know? The answer is reduce risk of injury in a collision. Reduce risk of injury in a collision, meaning that if you are involved in an accident and you need to stop the car in an emergency, you need to make sure that you and others who are in the car are safe. If you don't put the seatbelt on, you are risking of injury because you're going to go and smash your head here and there. So it's important that you put the seatbelt on because it reduces the injury in a collision, in an accident. Okay? Question number 6, what should you check under the bonnet? What should you check under the bonnet? That's the question. Do you know? The answer is oil, coolant, brake fluid levels. The answer is oil, coolant, brake fluid levels. Okay, so on the bonnet every now and again you must check, making sure that the oil is okay, the coolant is okay, and the brake fluid levels, basically you have enough brake fluid in there. Okay. Question number 7, why should lights be clean? Why should lights be clean? Do you know? The answer is ensures other road users can see you. It ensures other road users can see you. If it's not clean, then lights are not going to be visible as much. It's not going to be clear. So you must make sure that lights are clean so others can't see you. Question number 8, what should you do if a warning light appears? The answer is check the vehicle as soon as it is safe, meaning that when you see a warning light on the dashboard, get it checked because the warning light is giving you a signal there is a problem in the car, there is a problem in the engine. So get it checked as soon as possible. Question number 9, why keep the windscreen clean? Why keep the windscreen clean? Do you know? So the answer is clear visibility reduces accident risk. So the reason you need to keep your windscreen clean so that you could see and everything is clear to you. If it's blur and it's not clean, then you are risking your visibility. For you to make sure that your visibility is maximum, you need to make sure that your windscreen are clean. Okay? Question number 10, what should you check before a long journey? So the question is, what should you check before a long journey? Do you know? The answer is tire, oil, water, fuel, lights. You must make sure before a long journey the tires are good, oil, water, fuel, lights. These are all should be working before a long journey. So make sure you check those things before a long journey. What are they? Tire, oil, water, fuel, lights. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. So these are the 10 theory questions on vehicle safety. I hope the video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.